Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to make a fruit kebab. You can use the fruits of your choice, but for this recipe, we have the following fruits: cubed mangoes, cubed pineapples, red grapes, strawberries, and cubed apples. Take a wooden skewer and thread your fruits on it until you fill the skewer. Repeat the process until you have used all the fruits prepared. Be creative as you thread the skewers so that the end product is something beautiful like this. Place the fruit kebab on a platter and arrange all the rest in the same platter. Serve these great looking kebabs as dessert. And there you have it, folks. Fruit kebabs, brought to you by ZEDEK'S Kitchen. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe.
We don't